My name is Harshit Shah. I am Chief Technology Officer at Kyruus Health. A little bit about what Kyruus Health do. We have close to 500,000 doctors or providers in the US under our management, and we power the online search and scheduling experience for an end user, member, or a patient to connect with the right provider. I was at Francisco Partner Conference. Noah and I got a chance to kind of interact. I explained that our core part of the product is data management and a search experience. When we think about how Gen AI is shifting the paradigm for the search is massive. And similarly, healthcare search is changing. So it is a natural extension for us to how we can incorporate Gen AI in our patient experience, our user experience, and provide them that guided steerage in terms of finding the next best answer. We were looking for a partner who brings what the good look like in terms of the architecture patterns and help us accelerate from POC to getting the general availability. We were clear on some of the problems or the frictions our users were having, and we were looking for a help to say how we can use the latest technology to kind of meet those business needs. Engagement with a tribe, it started with upfront discovery, and it was extremely useful because that allowed the set of team members that we were working from tribe to gain understanding of our core platform, our business use cases, and building that context. That was super useful in terms of how we went about implementing it. So we spent a week or two in discoveries, and that also helps us validate some of our assumptions which were not correct. That we were thinking of using technology in a certain way in our user experience, and we learned upfront based on the SMEs tribe had that might not lead us to a path that we kind of wanted. Engagement during those 8-week period or a 2-month SOW that we had was very collaborative. That iterative nature of building, prototyping, demoing, and then tracking towards the progress was extremely helpful. That allowed us to not just stay on the track, but also make the necessary adjustment along the way before our alternative would have been finding it out after 2 months that say, hey, we ended up doing something that is not meeting the business objective. So I think that was advantage. Also having this as an opportunity to be more thorough in our documentation. Not only we had requested tribe SMEs to do everything documented what they were implementing for us, it also enforces our engineers to do the documentation what they were building. So that allowed us to have a scalability to bring in more engineers down the line as we continue to expand our implementation. If you are looking to work with the tribe, here are the 3 reasons I would strongly suggest. Number 1, tribe will allow you to have greater access to the talent pool, which is out there. Second, it will certainly reduce your time to market in terms of the idea, taking it from the initial pitch to all the way to the production. And last but not least, you will be able to validate a lot of your internal assumptions, which might not be true, getting a third pair of eye from the experts that tribe will be able to bring.